Hello everyone! Have you noticed that stubborn bump on the back of your neck and feel constant tightness? That is the so-called neck hump. It usually appears for two reasons. The first one is constantly looking down at your phone, which causes tech neck or a dowager's hump. The second reason is extreme stress and high cortisol levels, which triggers a fatty buffalo hump. But no matter where it came from, the solution is the same. We need to open up your chest and activate your back muscles. This quick workout will instantly release tension and help fix your posture. I highly recommend doing this routine every single day for 2 weeks, and make sure to take a before and after picture. You will be absolutely amazed by the results. Ready to get rid of this for good? Let's get started.
My path is golden, joy in my skin. I carry my light right under my chin. My thoughts are steady, my body obeys. I move with purpose through all of my days. Every second, I feel myself rise. Less of the old way, more of the sky. I let it go now, what I don't need. I make room for power, I make room for me. I am the one I trust, I am the one I choose. My body, my beautiful body, moves like it knows the truth. I am the one I trust, I am the one I choose. My energy pulls good things close. My health keeps breaking through. I am worthy of my strongest form, built with patience through the calm and storm. I turn pressure into something fierce. Every hard step makes my vision clear. Every second, I feel myself rise. Less of the old way, more of the sky. I let it go now, what I don't need. I make room for power, I make room for me. I am the one I trust, I am the one I choose. My body, my beautiful body, moves like it knows the truth. I am the one I trust, I am the one I choose. My energy pulls good things close. My health keeps breaking through. Gratitude in my breath, power in my hands. I was made for motion, I can feel it expand. Tougher every day, lighter every mile. Beauty in my healing, strength in my smile. It knows the truth. I am the one I try, I am the one I choose. My energy pulls good things close. My health keeps breaking through. I am the one I trust, I am the one I choose. My body, my beautiful body, is my masterpiece come true. With every move I rise, stronger in my bones, power in my hands. I'm building what I know. I love this motion, I love this heat. Health in every cell, right under my feet. I breathe breathe a new life. I breathe out doubt. My body says yes and I turn it out. I'm proud of how far I've come, proud of what I made. Every step gets lighter, every fear starts to fade. My body is my temple. I feel it with the best. My body is my temple. I wear my strength with breath. I'm firm, I'm bright, I'm steady. I'm moving like I mean it. My body is my temple, 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 temple. Grace in my posture, fire in my stride. Lean lines, strong lines, nothing left to hide. Thank each part of me for all it carries through. Tireless and beautiful, doing what it do. I breathe a new life, I breathe out doubt. My body says yes and I turn it out. I'm proud of how far I've come, proud of what I made. Every step gets lighter, every fear starts to fade. My body is my temple. I feel it with the best. My body is my temple. I wear my strength with breath. I'm firm, I'm bright, I'm steady. I'm moving like I mean it. My body is my temple, 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 temple. Every conscious breath renews me again. I feel that spark running through my skin. No rush, no doubt, just trust and flow. I'm becoming more with every move I go, 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 go. My body is my temple. I feel it with the best. My body is my temple. I wear my strength with breath. I'm firm, I'm bright, I'm steady. I'm moving like I mean it. My body is my temple, 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 temple. Always choose yourself.